No witnessed fall, no siren in the sky. Just 245 grams with a billion-year alibi. A catalog number walk from silence into light. Northwest Africa, 88888179. 8179. Yeah, 81. Before desert wind ever sanded the scars, a carbon-rich planetesimal was cooking beneath stars. Primitive Achondrite, ultramafic archive, partial melt residue with mantle memory alive. Protogranular fabric, coarse grains locked tight. Olivine held the framework, pigeonite caught light. Forsterite 76, iron riding inside. Chromium in the lattice, calcium low on the side. Carbon filled interstices, black script between phases. Reduction rims form metal through oxygen-starved mazes. 40 micron borders made ferric pride. Retreat chemistry flipped the kingdom. Stone manufactured steel. Off the pyroxene entered where the textbook said rare. An outlaw phase in residence. Contraband in the pair. No crown, no throne, yet the mineral code held laws. Pressure wrote the constitution, heat ratified each clause. Read the rim, every gradient keeps testimony. Phi M and MG plots turn fraction into ceremony. Not treasure from heaven, this is evidence with weight. A shattered world speaking through a polished plate. Then impact hit hard with catastrophic grammar. Shock metamorphism swung an astronomical hammer. Undulatory extinction made the crystal optics wave. Every grain bent light like a signal from a grave. Cataclastic texture, angular syllables collided. Monolith got edited, multiple histories braided. Polymit breccia, different neighborhoods compressed. Borolithic fragments in the carbonaceous vest. No obvious chondrils, still the matrix told truth. Philosilicate whispers, magnetite in the booth. Plagiar clays flash briefly, an anesthetic clue. Argite cross pigeonite with the wider pyroxene view. And 88 wolfram at N80 whoa. Hey, high temperature equilibrium left numbers at the gate. 1250 Celsius, then the thermal curve descended 1 degree per hour till 800 finally ended. Oxygen fugacity, iron wistite -1. Redox made a fingerprint, no counterfeit could fake. Comparing world rupture left architecture undone. Debris reassembled, daughter rubble round the sun. That is the punchline. Broken does not mean erased. A ruin can preserve what a perfect rock misplaced. Each class becomes a witness, every boundary cross-examines. Chaos built the archive, collision kept the statements. Long transit, cold vacuum, orbital roulette. Then Earth wrote the final line the cosmos had not set. No observer logged arrival, no calendar caught flame. Sahara held the evidence before science gave a name. Terrestrial alteration set rust through every scene, but oxidation could not cancel the parent body dream. Tomorrow winter 2013 approaching close. Then the thin section opened what the outer surface froze back. Scattered electrons drew 2 provinces in gray. X-ray elemental maps made calcium betray an intact lithology beside a brecciated zone. Wavy contact like a fault line through ancestral stones. 70% olivine, 20 pigeonite, 10% carbon mineral, elongated through the night. Microprobe bars landed precise, no folklore in the cadence. Petrology brought receipts, mineralogy brought patience. A quarter-kilo relic turned the laboratory loud. Small mass, massive pass, let the data move the crowd. Not jewelry, not magic, not a superstition token. The sample is a courtroom where the solar system has spoken. Protogranular order, or polymit confession. From reduction, rim metal to shockwave recollection. 8179 carries genesis through damage. When the world loses form, its fragments keep the language. Cataloged as Ureilite, decoded as survival. Impact was the producer. The breccia kept the vinyl.